Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Now let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to install Claude Code on your local system. Before we start the installation, there are few things you need to check on your machine. Claude Code works on Mac OS 10.15 or newer, Ubuntu 20.04 or above, Debian 10 or later, and Windows 10 or newer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during installation because some parts of the setup are downloaded from the web. It also needs Node.js version 18 or higher since Claude Code runs on Node in the background. You will also need either an active Claude subscription or an Anthropic API key to log in once the installation is complete. I am using macOS Sonoma 14.1.2 on MacBook Air. My terminal of choice is iTerm2 and my Node.js version is 18.20.8. I also have a Claude Pro subscription which currently costs $20 per month. That's more than enough if you are just learning or experimenting with Claude Code. If you are on Windows, you can follow the same steps using PowerShell or any other terminal you are comfortable with. As long as Node.js 18 or above is installed, the process will be the same. And if you run into any problems, don't hesitate to ask questions. The first thing we will do is check the Node version installed on your system. Open your terminal and type Node-V. If the version shown is 18 or higher, we are good to move forward, or you will need to install any Node version higher than 18. On my system, it's 18.20.8, so we can continue. Next, let's install Claude Code globally. In the terminal, run npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code. This will install Claude Code as a global package, so you can use the Claude command from anywhere. Once the installation is done, launch Claude Code by typing Claude. You should now see the Claude welcome screen. The first thing it asks is your preferred terminal theme. I will select dark mode, but you can choose whichever option you like. Next, you will be prompted to log in. There are two ways to do this. Sign in with your Claude account if you have a subscription, or sign in using your Anthropic console account. Since I already have a Claude Pro subscription, I will sign in with my Claude account. If you are just starting out or testing things, I recommend going with the Pro plan because it's simple and gives you access to all the features. After signing in, you will be asked to authorize Claude to connect your account. Go ahead and allow that. Once authorization is complete, press enter to continue. Next, you will see a short security notice. Just press enter again to proceed. Claude will then ask if you want to use the recommended terminal settings or customize them with the / command. Since we are setting this up for the first time, I will go with the recommended settings. And that's it. You should now see the standard Claude interactive session in your terminal. At this point, the installation is complete. So to recap, we checked the prerequisites, verified Node.js, installed Claude Code globally, signed in and set up the recommended configuration. In the next video, we will install the Claude Code plugin inside Visual Studio Code. This will let you interact with Claude directly from your editor, which is really convenient when you are writing or reviewing code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.